YouTuber Sam here to show you my Connect Shredder. Let me get this real quick. Alright, I got all the crap stuck out of it. Alright, this is it. These are the big things that shred stuff. Alright, so how it works is, let me turn on the engine. There we go. See how it's spinning? Take this, then put that on, it shreds. Put the rest in. Maybe that was a little too much. No, it wasn't. There you go. There you go. See, it's shredding all that. Let's see what it looks like now. This is what it looks like when it's done. It's like paper. Alright, this is what it looks like after it's shredded. This was 2 tissues. Now it's just confetti. Confetti. Alright. That was my Connect Shredder. Hope you liked it.